Our cutting-edge AI technology empowers you to streamline your workflows, automate processes, and boost productivity like never before. Ready to take the first step? Click on the button below and embark on your journey to create your very own AI agent. To create your AI agents, all you have to do is click on AI Agents on the navigation menu on the left. Click Create AI Agent to enter the AI agent creation process. Here, you will add a title to the agent title field to establish your AI agent's identity and click on the Continue button. In Step 2, add the title or position of your AI agents, such as Marketing Director or Client Manager, the name of your company, and the locations you would like to target. In Step 3, in the description, enter the campaign and company description. You can always ask your success manager for help if needed. Now, describe your service, expertise, and strong selling points to make sure we attract the right prospects. It's time for your success stories now. For the AI to generate an ideal and perfectly crafted email copy, keep the description comprehensive, for example, 5 sentences, avoid any spelling mistakes, and keep it focused towards the industries you're looking for. You can also add some testimonials from clients and success stories your company has experienced. Here, we will use the industries filter to specify the industries you want to target. Be as specific as possible and add all of the markets and industries you would like to see in your prospects. Similarly, use the titles and roles filter to specify the job positions you want to target. Don't forget to specify the locations you want to target using the locations filter. Moving further, you can also define your target audience companies using the number of employees, revenue, and funding filters. You can also specify your target audience based on keywords using the keywords filter. All filters after the keywords filter facilitate exclusion criteria and include exclude domains, exclude keywords, exclude locations, and exclude industries. Once the required filters are set, click the Next button. This will take you to the AI Personalized Video section. Here, you can record a video or upload one from your system storage. You can also watch our sample video for inspiration. Once the required selection is made, click the Continue button, and this will create your AI agent. Let your success manager know if you have any questions.